We guide you through how to send scheduled mail in Outlook so your emails are delivered at the perfect time. First thing you need to do is open your Outlook and click New Email to compose your message as usual. Once your email is ready, click the Options tab, then select Delay Delivery. In the Delivery Options window, check Do Not Deliver Before and choose the date and time you want the email to be sent. Click Close, then hit Send. Outlook will hold the message in your outbox and automatically send it at the scheduled time, as long as Outlook is open and connected to the internet. This feature is perfect for reminders, follow-ups, or sending emails across different time zones without forgetting.